Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Face Yoga Master. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you how to use a jade roller daily for your face. We're then going to do some lymphatic drainage towards the end as well, so we can also release toxins and waste. We'll also be helping with glowing skin and improving elastine. Now, first things first, I have my jade roller here, and they do obviously come in other different types of materials such as rose quartz as well. And you want to make sure it's nice and clean before you actually use it, so you're not transferring any bacteria. I also have nice clean skin, so you want to make sure your skin is clean and also your jade roller. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of rosehip oil here. Now you don't have to apply anything when you're using a jade roller, but whatever you do apply to your skin is going to penetrate in even better and deeper. So if you have this is such as a rosehip oil, but if you do have a favourite face cream, that's fine too. So just gently applying to the fingers and then all along the facial area. And not forgetting the neck area as well. So we're going to start with the neck and we're going to work our way up and then come down with the final lymphatic drainage release using the tool. So I'm going to use the larger parts on the ends here, placing my hand onto, as an anchor almost, just where the collarbone is. I'm starting from the middle, I'm just very, very gently gliding in an upwards motion towards the chin and the jawline. And this is a light feather-light touch. Now the skin on the neck is very fine and delicate, so you just need to be quite fine with this. And then with the smaller parts here, I'm just working it under the chin towards the ears from the jawline. Now we have plenty of lymph nodes in this area, so we're actually helping moving toxins and waste within the lymph. And then with the longer parts here behind the ear, down towards the big SCM muscle, down to the collarbone. Great lymphatic drainage. And then on the other side, using the smaller parts, you can place your fingers as an anchor if you like, and just gliding under the jawline towards the ears. And one last time. And then again, the larger part behind the ears, where we have plenty of lymph nodes down the side of the neck, down to the collarbone. And then from the chin all the way along the jawline towards the ears. And then I like to use the smaller parts here, where the nostril is, just under the cheekbone. Not forgetting above the lips as well. And then just glide all the way along the lower part of the face towards the ears with the tool. And then on the other side, from the chin all the way along, again nice and light. Also helping to move toxins and waste within the lymph. And the lymph is very close to the surface of the skin here. So just a light delicate touch, then just start to glide out towards the ears again. And then with the smaller parts here, just where that nostril is, under the cheekbone, towards the ears. Remembering to keep the rest of the face nice and relaxed. And then just above the lip here, helping with those fine lines and wrinkles above the lip. And then again, with the larger part, just working the lower part of the face and slowly working upwards towards that cheekbone. So now we're just going to come where the bone is here, and just very again gently glide along that cheekbone. And then I'm taking the part here, this tool here, from where under the eye is, and very lightly press just where the cheekbone is as well. This will also help with any puffiness around the eye area. Now you want to be very fine and delicate here because the skin around the eyes is very fine and delicate, and you don't want to be dragging and pulling. And then on the other side, again, along that sort of big part of the cheekbone here towards the ears. And then using the small parts here under the eyes, heading towards the side of the head and the temple. Nice and light. And then with this small part here, I'm now going to work down towards the side of the nose here. I always want to swallow when I'm doing this. And then under the cheekbone towards the ears. And then on the other side, again, just a small part, just working down by the side of the nose. And then under the cheekbone towards the ears. So now again with the small part between the eyes and heading towards the hairline. And then using the long parts, the larger parts, working our way nice and very light along the forehead towards the hairline. And then taking the larger part between almost where the eyebrows are, halfway from the forehead, and working our way along, getting ready for our final lymphatic drainage release. And you will find that this will also help smooth out any fine lines and wrinkles on the forehead area. And then work down by the side of the ears, again where we have plenty of lymph nodes, and down the back of the ear. And then down the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And then on the other side, coming along down by the side of the ears here, the front and the back, where we have plenty of lymph nodes, and down to the collarbone, down the big SCM muscle. And then for the final lymphatic drainage release, from the chin all the way down, we have some indentations just where our collarbone is, and if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste removed within the facial area and also the neck, using our Jade tool here into the body, ready for elimination. So I will place a Jade roller in the description box down below if you don't already have one. Also, you can actually do this using your hands if you like. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content and a thumbs up. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.